Hey, welcome back to the forge. Today we are making our first attempt in forging an arrowhead from a piece of rebar. First we started out by forging a mandrel the exact shape of the shaft of the arrow. This will allow us to get a better fit when folding the socket. Here's where we started forging the arrowhead. We started by upsetting the metal for a larger socket. Next we started flattening out the socket. We forged it to a triangular fishtail shape. Next we started to fold the flat part into a rounded shape for the socket. Here we're using the mandrel to form a perfect fit for the socket. Next we started forging the head of the arrow. We decided to flatten it out to become a broad head. decided to test the fit to the shaft, and everything fits great, so it's time to harden and temper it. We're quenching canola oil, and we'll let the arrow naturally temper itself by the heat from the socket traveling down to the arrow until it turns golden. We fletched an oak dowel to use as the shaft of the arrow and tested it. As you can see, the arrow went all the way through the target and into a tree behind it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.